because the gas station prices of snacks and stuff is ridiculous. Okay, I can't even, there's no such thing as penny candy anymore. That's how old I am. I used to be able to go get 25 pieces of Fruities and it was 25 cents. All of this stuff that I have on this bed, these snacks that I got for myself, I'm gonna show you why I chose them. Okay, I have a specific app that shows me all of the background information that I need to know so I can make an informed decision. Oh yeah, it is time to learn how to snack smarter. All right, I'm Kevin Anytime Mindset Specialist, and I'm here to help you think critically. Okay, if you like content like this, make sure you like and subscribe, because that's gonna help us build. I've been thinking about this. I've been doing this for an extended period of time. I've been traveling. I'm on the road like 8 months out of the year. Okay, so I can't mess around and become one of the fat kids. Okay, and that's just real life. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to be one of the fat boys. Okay, trying to make sure I keep this intact. All right, I need to keep that intact. I went shopping, got some things. I'm gonna show y'all my mindset so I can hopefully help you to think differently. Okay, because that's the whole objective of this is to help you to think critically about everything that you're doing. Let's get it. Off the camera, wham, wham, wham. Here we go, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce everything and then I'm gonna give you a rundown of what my mindset was. I know you see that. Don't worry about it. All right, I'm gonna give you what my mindset is on that too. Okay, but let's start with the cereal. Wow. All right, look, I went and got some protein cereal simply because you need protein, especially if you are working out, and I do workouts whenever I can when I'm on the road for the most part, when I'm not driving and I'm not extra exhausted. But outside of that, I'm always thinking about, okay, how can I snack healthier? So instead of chips, I get cereal. I got that, and I went and got that too. Okay, so we got Ratio Trio, which I tried those, not too good. But we got some of these Ghosts. I haven't tried those yet. The mindset behind this is to replace the chips. Replace the chips, y'all. If you want something crunchy, you want to be crunching while you're driving, you want to be crunching while you're not, using your brain or you're doing something, you gotta get a different type of crunch, a more nutritious crunch. Okay, and that's why I opted for the cereal, because I was like, you know what do I get chips for? Yeah, they taste good, but for the most part, it's the crunch. It's the crunch you're looking for. It's like, it's something to do for the most part. And yeah, some chips do taste good, but for the most part, if you think about it, it is actually the consistency, the taste, the crunchies. You like it. That's part of it. Okay, now let's go to the next thing. Whammo. Nice, delicious cinnamon almond butter biscuits. Hey, these right here, incredible. These are incredible. This is sweet tooth craving. Okay, this is something that I'm like, okay, I don't want it to be crazy, and I'm gonna go over the only nutritious thing that I'm really paying attention to. Okay, because this can get crazy in the calories, but for me specifically with my body type, I don't have to worry too much about that. So I just make sure I focus on it not having ridiculous additives in it. Okay, but these right here, they dangerous. They are dangerous. Boom. The wafers, these are brand new, as you can see. New. Yeah, I tried one of those. It's pretty decent. I might not go crazy on them, but it's pretty decent, and it kind of solves that sweet craving as well. Okay, I got that plus the other one because we're looking at longevity here. I'm gonna be on the road for a while, so I'm gonna need snacks to extend me throughout, so I'm not constantly buying snacks in the gas station, because the gas station prices of snacks and stuff is ridiculous. Okay, I can't even, there's no such thing as penny candy anymore. That's how old I am. I used to be able to go get 25 pieces of Fruities and it was 25 cents. Okay, come on now. Whammo. Okay, the peanuts, the Planters peanuts, these are very specific. Okay, this is for like the magnesium. There's a lot of minerals in peanuts. That's why I get those peanuts. Whammo. Okay, then I got some pretzels, made sure that they was, you know, not crazy on the calorie side, stuff like that. Pretzels, because, you know, you need a little difference. I need something salty, a little crunch. Got some pretzels. Bingo. Then we got the fruit snacks, and I looked these up and they don't have too many harmful additives as well. I love candy, and that can definitely be some kryptonite for me. Okay, so instead of me getting stuff that has all type of craziness in it, I decided, okay, I at least got to compromise with myself. So I got those fruit snacks because they're pretty clean for the most part. Okay, and when I say clean, I'm about to show y'all. These right here are for emergency purposes only, because I drive extended hours. I drive sometimes 10 hours a day. If I am feeling fatigued and I want to make sure I make my 10 hours, I have to pack one of these punches. Okay, and the C4, we're going to look at the nutrition on that as well and see what's actually inside of it, and the reason, I'll give you the reasoning behind all of these choices that I have, all of this stuff that I have on this bed, these snacks that I got for myself. I'm going to show you why I chose them. Okay, I have a specific app that shows me all of the background information that I need to know so I can make an informed decision. Let's get it. Okay, boom, here it is right here. Okay, now this is what I want to show you. Everything that I have here, we can look up. Okay, from this app right here, Yuka. That is the key. That gives you all the background information you need. Okay, boom, let's do it. All right, so remember we were talking about those pretzel chips. Let's look at them. They say good. Good, huh? Oh, okay. Why? Protein, fiber, saturated fat, low in sugar, and additives. That is the main thing. See, because they can have some negatives. They have like, oh, it's too salty, oh, it's too caloric. But the main thing that I specifically look for, again, for my body type, is the additives. I look to see, is there anything that's risky there? If there's no risk, normally I don't look at it, but let's look at it for the sake of this video. Riboflavins. Okay, so we got the riboflavins. Let's see what the riboflavins are. Adds color or simulates the original hue of the original hue. Oh, if the original hue has been altered. Boom. So see how that gives you detailed information? That's what I'm talking about. That allows you to make an informed decision. Now you can sit here. You can sit here and be like, hey, you're talking about taking a long time, Kev, in the grocery store. Yeah, sometimes I do. Indeed. But is it worth it? It's something you gotta ask yourself. Is it worth it, punk? Okay, anyway. That was a terrible Clint Eastwood impression. So then let's look at the sour fruit snacks, all right? Because, oh, those are poor. Oh, no. Look, don't just go off of that, okay? You also got to read into it. Look, it's just saying, yeah, it's got a lot of sugar. That's for me to look at and to be like, all right, is that okay? Is that not okay? Whatever. And then go from there. Additives. The risky additives. That's what you want to look at. That is always major key. Okay, you look at the additives and you make sure that there's no risk. They have all the detailed information you need. I can tap on anything and it will tell you what it is. This app is legendary. Okay, legendary, y'all. Okay, and then what else we got? You see, I was looking up other stuff. Fast twitch. No. Okay, and now here's where I can show y'all the difference. Here's where I can actually show y'all the difference. Okay, if we go to fast twitch, look at these additives. Contains risky additives. Whoa, it's red. Oh, one's hazardous. Oh no, that means hazardous to your health. Let's take a look. Monopotassium phosphate hazardous? Let's look at it. All right, so this contains phosphorus, a chemical element that is essential to the body. However, according to ANSYS, our phosphorus intake is now 2 to 3 times greater than needed. Excess phosphorus may increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, disrupt calcium metabolism and bone mineralization, and negatively affect the kidneys. Might not want to mess with that. So I'd be like, no. That alone be like, yeah. I mean, it says according to ANSYS, and it's like, oh, it's possible. It may increase. Nope. I'm like, nope. It says it's got something hazardous. I'm out. Get off of here. So I went straight to the C4. That say poor too, but oops. That say poor too, but look. Oh, wait, what? We got one that's hazardous. Oh no. Let's look at it. Okay, Asuflame. Asuflame is hazardous. Let's look at that. It's a sweetener. Acesulfame potassium is an intense sweetener. In 2015, the ANSYS indicated that intense sweeteners had no effect on weight control. Moreover, sweeteners may promote metabolic disorders such as glucose intolerance. The approval file for this additive has been called into question by some researchers. The EFSA is currently reevaluating its safety. So that means the jury's still out on this one. That's why I decided to make that decision, because all of the energy drinks are terrible. They all have something hazardous for the most part. So I had to make a decision on which one I needed to do. Okay, I could just do black coffee, but no. Okay, no. I'm saying no. All right, but you can always click on these things too, and it gives you deeper information as to what the I got my airplane mode on because I didn't want to get interrupted. Let's see here. Okay, so so boom, you can go to it and you can take a look and see what these people are all about. Okay, European Food Safety Authority. Okay, that's who that is. If you want to look up learn more, they got a lot of information here. You can learn more on a lot of hyperlinks you can go to. Okay, scientific sources. They give you the sources of what this is all from. All right, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is the app. This is the app. Okay, the app that gives you informed decision-making abilities. Okay, it also gives you recommendations. Hey, you want an energy drink that's good? Hey, try this one. Okay, try the Tiger Eye. Why is it not? Yeah. See, that's coffee. But look, do you understand where I'm coming from? Do you understand what I'm saying? Hopefully you do. Because I'm here to help. Okay? That's my job. Is to help you to critically think. Because I'm doing it all day, every day, baby. With everything. Okay? And since I'm working so hard, I'm like, dude, I got to help some people out, man. Hopefully the ones that don't want to do it, I can give them the information and they can just be like, oh, okay, I either trust Kev or I don't. So there you have it, okay? I'm Kevin Anytime, mindset specialist, and I'm here to help you think critically.